Turn up to this one, no hot water on a Worcester Bosch 30 SI. It's about 13 years old. Run the hot tap for more than 30 seconds, the boiler fired up and then cut out and just sits there. There's no fancy diagnosis, it's going to be the plate. So we're going to drain it down. Going to whip the diverter valve motor out to let the rest of the water drain down, otherwise you'll get a little bit wet. I'm going to take the pump out to change the plate and give it a good clean out. Look at the state of that. The reason I take the pump out is, one, because it's easier, and two, because you'll have to change the flow adapter anyway, because it'll be cracked. It's as easy as that. Remember, the plate arrows point to the right. Legit going to whip it out with my left hand. There's a little bit of Niagara Falls, but make sure there's something underneath to catch it. Tilt the plate at an angle and it will come out. With the SIs, you do struggle if the pipes go up the back to get it out with just a pump out. But I did this one-handed while recording it on the phone, just to prove it was the plate. Just going to swirl the old one out. For my own satisfaction and for video purposes. I mean, look at the state of that. Always milk the washing out as well, so you can really see how clogged up it was. The replacement plates are 14 now rather than a 16 like the old ones were. So with that all whipped out, I'm going to put that in there. Going to change the flow adapter because I bet that didn't help. Oh yeah, look, cracked to pieces. The rest of that will be jammed in the plate somewhere. Going to put the new one in one-handed as well. It's quite hard to do something and record it, but I thought it might benefit so people can see how it goes in. Just check the plate washers don't fall out when you're lining it up, because you'll soon get wet when you fill it back up. Action shot of the screwdriver holder. Before the gas police say it's for the pressure gauge, I know it's for the pressure gauge, but it also holds my screwdriver. With that replaced, I'm going to try it. Hot water on. The hot water's coming through hot already. Let's go check the boiler. Green light means go. Firing up nicely. Happy days.